Yo, what up? Yo, Kevin, I trade with Take Profit Trader every day. What's up? Oh, good morning, Maria. Uncle Joe, Mike. I want to talk to you about TPT if you don't mind. I've been with Topstep for a minute now, but thinking about trying TPT. I've never had a problem, Kevin. Never had a problem. I've taken daily payouts with Take Profit Trader for over a week straight. It's all good. What up, Vince? DBT in the house? Yo, Maria's out of jail. What's up, Mama Tick? Sean, what up? What up? Yo, Sean, did you see that message I sent you? What up, Ray? Oh, let me Yeah. That's all I was saying. Yo, one day on voice, I gotta talk to you about it. You gotta remind me though. What up, Jay Styles? Good morning, piano. Live, Cove Concepts. Oh man. Honestly, I thought we were gonna pop, but I thought it was gonna be a pop and drop. What up, Code? I got a bunch of evals. Yeah, I'll do it Thursday. Yo, Lee. First payout. I'll give you the clap. Kevin, Take Profit Trader is way better than Topstep. Kevin, like, yeah. Yeah. Also, there's no activation fee, dude. I don't want you to. Oh my god. CloudBot settings. Let me see this shit. There's no dude, my computer's running slow today. My computer is running slow. Yo, it's 30% off, no activation fee. So you know in Topstep how you got to pay $130 or $150. You pay no activation fee. You could flip a couple days, Kevin. It's not like 5 days on the dot or anything like that. Like you could flip contracts once you've passed. Yeah, but I just want to make sure that you know, like, I just want to make sure you know the rules. So like you have 5 days to pass. You can do 50% in 2 days. And then like the next couple days, you can flip like 1 micro. I just don't want you to think that you got to trade like $300 a day for it. Typically, you're going to pass in 3 days. You know, I just want you to know the deal. And then you take daily withdrawals. Basically, at 10 p.m. at night, the day flips over, and then you request at 10 o'clock at night, and then you'll just get the money. What up, Rob? Yo, I got to I got to handle all my emails. Nobody was getting back to me, so I just waited. Sean, but I think I owe you. I forget. I got to look in it. My weekend was freaking packed. I haven't had time to breathe. Yeah, unless you're at exactly even flip, you're going to have to, it's going to be like a 3-day thing. Like you'll do like 1,400 and let me see. Maybe I'll do it real quick. Boom, boom. Things are going pretty good. Bro, they're making me verify my identity for my email. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, who thinks we go green? Who thinks we go green today? Man, that'd be wild. Yeah, Kevin. So basically, the end of the day is like 10 at night for them. And then you request it. And then, like, I don't know, they approve it within an hour or two. And then, I don't know. When I wake up, I send it to my account when I wake up in the morning. I've done it days in a row, dude. Like, never had an issue. You could trade any strategy you want. You just can't trade 1 minute before or 1 minute after a red folder news event, like non-farm payroll or CPI or something like that. Other than that, you can DCA, trade 1 micro, trade 10 minis. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it's super simple. I don't think anybody's ever had a problem getting money from them. I don't think anybody I know has had had problems getting anything from them. FOMC minutes are the big, yeah, Amelia. FOMC, the minutes, non-farm payroll. They usually send you an email like the day before in the morning, but I've never had an issue. They kind of filled the gap already, to be honest with you. They filled the gap. The gap was down here. We're gap filled. I kind of want to take a short here. I'm just going to take an eval short, to be honest with you. Made 8K today with Topstep, 15-minute orbit. Can't even withdraw that. Yo, Kevin, I feel you on that. That's what's my biggest pain in the ass. So I have a Topstep account. I locked in another day. It's a pain in the ass because you got to wait 5 days, and then you can only take out like half the money for the first 30 days. It's just kind of annoying. Yo, Ali, morning stream. What holiday is it by you? What's the holiday? So you gotta remember, everyone's from all over the world in this place. Yeah, Take Profit Trader has just been the number one, only because, yeah, once they break this little, they just invalidated it. They just kind of invalidated this. A close over 28 invalidates it. But yeah, oh, are they not going to close it over there? What? Oh, this might work out. This might just work out. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe target 381. 381, maybe. What's up, Akash? Yo, I thought you were saying the top is in, Sean. I wonder if the high a day is in. I could see that being the high a day, by the way. That wouldn't shock me. Oh, baby. Are they going to lose this area? Look at this. Come on, baby. Well, I mean, that was just quick. Still holding strong here. Come on. Oh. I mean, if you're in this and followed, move your stops down. Now this is a free trade. We're in it for a free trade right now. The only reason I move it there is in case they just swept below 400 and they pick it back up. If we get another red candle down, I'm going to move my stops above this candle. Like if this candle starts going below, like this, I'm just going to move my stops down. There we go. We're just going to follow this down. Woo! Oh, man. I feel like it's going to bounce soon. Come on. Come on. Keep pushing, baby. Come on. All right. Okay. That was a good trade. Oh, it cracked my back. Oh. I mean, we're just coming to the pivot point right here. And you're going back down to this order block. I just, let's see if I get it. Let's see if I get it on both ways. Tell me I'm going to get it on both ways. It bounced. Come on. Oh, jeez. So I got like 200, almost $300 on the way back up. Little Eiffel Tower trade to start the stream off. Oh, man. Yeah, I like that. That was actually a really good setup. I like that a lot, to be honest with you. Yeah. That was a solid setup. Great place to take profits, and then you can play the bounce right off the pivot point. Now it's getting sloppy, to be honest with you. Like, am I going to keep playing this? I want to see us trade down into this area before I play this again. I'm probably not going to short it here. Probably not going to short it here. Just made some bucks. And now I chill out for a little bit. Let's see some stuff develop. Yo, what up, Corey? What you doing? Oh, we just hit a banger, Sean. We just hit on the drop and then the way back up. How many points was that anyways? 411. About 25 points to the downside and then another 10 back up. You just reminded me, actually. I got my what up, Mara? I gotta load up my quant tower. See, now we're getting a little choppy. I hit in my pro account for 250 before. I'm up. My drawdown's kind of hosed though. I got $700. Oh yeah, Sean, you got that? Can't wait to send that to the accountant. I wonder who actually sees those memos. What up? 510 today? You think we're going to 510, Chad? Yeah, Alvin. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. I might play this drop. We're about to lose 400 again and maybe make our way back down. Could probably scalp it here for just a little bucks. Nothing, not like a real setup, more like a scalp. I just want to see a quick push down for like 8 points, maybe. I should probably just take this. I mean, I'm just looking. Oh, I should have definitely have taken that. I'm such a freaking. Why do I gotta be so greedy sometimes? Like I was up almost $100 real quick. The greed got me. Do I think it's the end of the longs? I don't know. Honestly, Lenny, I could see it going back up. You're hanging. You're basically kind of flagging. Just. I mean, you're. I mean, this is what you got. Doesn't, that's not really bearish on the bigger time frame here. I might just take some money right here. Just get out. Milk the dog, then get back in. Doesn't look great. It definitely doesn't look great. Looks like it's going to roll over. I'm just looking. It's not like an A+ setup. You're above the pivot point. You're kind of flagging. Like even if you drop, you probably get like 10 points or something out of it. I don't think you're going to get the CM Williams indicator. Why? I'm just curious. How are you playing that, Sean? Because I've used it in the past. Yeah. How are you playing it? Once it hits a certain level, or what are we doing? Or as soon as it has the next bar that's not green, you go long. I think that's how people play it, right? The next bar that's not green, they go long. That's how you find fractal head and shoulders. Tradeify skipped for me this morning. Tradeify skipped. Ooh, look at that. Dump. See, I think it's just going to stay in this. I mean, I might even take a long down here. I know it sounds crazy, but probably scalp it long. As long as we stay right in the as long as we stay right in this little triangle I got drawn, I would I'm semi-interested. I think you can just make a couple bucks. Got an hourly fair value gap. You got the pivot point. You know, like 383 wouldn't be a bad spot to grab it off. Come on, baby. Oh, man. It's getting tight. That's all it is. It's getting tight. It's getting super tight. What up, Xanax? I mean, definitely just holding. I think it looks good. Push back up. There we go. Come on. Let's see where we can start unloading some of these contracts out. Boom. Pre-market was better. Yo, pre-market was good, and as soon as we opened was really good. Yo, what up, Cube? Doing pretty good today. I just realized. Yo, anybody know anything about Fidias by any chance? I got a Fidias question besides it making me itchy. What up, Carl? Keith, you're in short? Yeah, Fidias. I accidentally bought the account and I didn't realize that you can only get paid once a month. So, yeah, so I can only get paid once a month, which is like ridiculous. Super ridiculous. But I don't know how much I have to leave in there. I have one account. By the way, this might be one of the best deals out there. I forgot to tell you guys. Dude, they're giving you a free reset if you buy an account with My Funded Futures this week. So if you buy an account, you get a free reset. And if you've never had an account with them, you get 50% off plus a free reset. That's legitimately like, that's probably one of the best deals. What are you talking about, Cube? Fidias? Yeah, I'm wondering how much money I have to leave in it for a payout. Can you get a payout at 52,600 or do I need more money? Well, it's really like buy one, get one free, Sean. You basically buy an eval, and if you blow it, you get a free one. So if you get an eval and blow it, they basically give you a free eval, which is buy one, get one, which is pretty good. Probably the best deal that's out there like this week. You'll buy one, get one free. Their deal last week sucked. Yeah, believe me, Cube. I tell everybody don't get an account there. I'm fully on board with never getting an account there. But I'm sitting there you know, I'm so close to a payout. I'm just wondering if I need 52,600 bucks. You know, at this point, it's worth just trading and getting, you know, maybe they send me $2,000 and I never use them again. But no, I'm not looking to ever use them again in my life. Yeah, I mean, I heard about that, the denied, banned, you know, all that shit. I heard about it. I'm just trying to figure out how much money you need to get a payout. Yeah, I think it's 2,500. Yeah, Amelia, I get that that's the threshold, but does that mean I need to be over 52,600 to request? Like, I can only take out above 52,600? What was the My Funded Futures thing? PG, it was this. I use the starter accounts. The starter accounts are only $97. So you can basically get, and there's, you know, you basically 2 for 1. I don't know. You can only get up to 3. So I'm going to grab 3 accounts. That's what I thought, Sean. But you know how like they word it so fucking weird? It's like, bro, just word it and say, hey, you can hit $52,000 and then withdraw the money. But fucking weird. Anyways, yeah. I just got stopped. But yeah, I recommend starters, or sometimes people like the starter plus because they have no consistency rule. But I've never bought anything besides a starter and a starter plus. Yeah, the FAQ is so bad. That's because they're not from the US, Amelia. Yeah. Yes. That's why I had the issue. And I was just like, well, did anybody else ever use these guys? So I'm right there for a payout then. I just stacked on a little bit more money too. I'm at 52,000 something. Ugh. Ugh, man, tired. Who are you talking about, Dell? Yo, Dell, they blocked your comment on YouTube. I got him. Oh, Maria, don't use that company. It's Fidias. It sucks. Lee, you ready? All of it. All of it. Always take the money. Take as much as you can, Lee, because that will be money for you to do it again. When it opens up, Xanax, it's not open. Apex, you have to make 52,600 to withdraw $500. But for Diaz, you can only withdraw money once a month between the 21st and 25th. So, like, if you happen to hit your profit target on the 26th, you have to then continue basically trading for another month to get the money. I can't believe they fucking bottom ticked me again. Look at this shit. Fajitas. Yo, get your fajitas. It's kind of what it sounds like. Yo, yo, it's so true though. Where's your favorite spot? My favorite pizza spot here? Bro, the favorite pizza spot would probably be the original Umberto's to go get Sicilian pizza in New High Park. New High Park, original Umberto's. Got to get Sicilian. That's the spot. Then you have Little Vincent's. I don't know if you've ever been to Little Vincent's before. I'm trying to think what other places are like that. I'm like, man, like that fucking pizza is good. Yo, I'm trying to think where else. Why? Where do you go, Cube? Yo, the pizza by me is amazing. Obviously. I mean, I'm on Long Island. There's too many mom and pop pizza places that if one's bad, they just go out of business. Yo, Dave Portnoy went there. Yeah, I think he's been to Little Vincent's before. I don't know if he went to One Bite. I don't know if he went to Umberto's. I would assume so. Oh yeah, he has. He went to Umberto's in 2017. He went there. Yeah. Yeah, Matt. COVETRADER is my code everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere. If you're ordering on Amazon, put coupon code COVETRADER in. It works. It's the best. Everywhere. Amazon, Walmart, Target, the gas station. Oh, man. What's the ideal crust? I feel like it depends on what type of pizza you got. Obviously, all over OnlyFans. I can't believe they stopped me out at the bottom, and here we are. This looks like it's going to flag up. I like thin. I mean, thin is always the best. Thin is just always the best. Unless you're going to like some crafty places. Yeah, where the outside is crispy and then the thin layer of bread is like soft. It's usually a good one. I've had some good like weird pizza before. Like I've gone places where it's just freaking weird, like I don't know, all types of stuff. Like mozzarella cheese in the crust, or like garlic knot pizza is pretty good. Like I've had good stuff like that where flat snack. I think you could do 6 cons with Take Profit Trader. Yeah, I think that's the max. Oh, man. Stretch my back out. Seems like it wants to get up there. I would say at least like 445 is probably the first test. That's the pivot point up top. Sean, when you use the Williams, what do you do? The first bar that's not green, you go long on? Yo, garlic knot crust pizza is amazing. Basically, they do garlic knots along the outside. And then the pizza's got some extra garlic on it. Yo, the pizza degrades it? Well, I feel like, I don't know. It depends. It depends. Sometimes it tastes like cardboard when you bring it home. Not worth the carbs on my cheat day. Bro, that's because we have access to it all the time. I got to find, I don't know, I got a ton of good food by me. The drop's going to be epic. I hope it doesn't fail until I'm out, Waldo. Come on. I'm getting old, Luna. I am getting old. You know what it is? My kids order pizza all the time, so I'm always getting it. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Push it. Come on, pass this wick right here, and we'll probably take me out of the rest. I should just get out, to be honest with you. The reason is my drawdown's actually low for the account. See, my drawdown's still $900 down. Remember those garlic knot rolls in the foil pouch? Dude, they still do that. Yeah. What's good is it's in that little bag and like all the garlic and oils in there, PG. I don't even know what Jollibee is. I don't eat fried chicken really though. So if it's a fried chicken joint, I'm usually out on it. Bro, I haven't had Popeyes since probably 2021. I got Popeyes randomly one day, and I got Popeyes randomly one day, and I ate 2 spicy chicken sandwiches when they got those new spicy chicken sandwiches, and fucking I like fell asleep while working. I was trading and I fell asleep. Popeyes tatted on my chest. What? What? Yo, probably like at 8:30, Dell. Probably at like 8:30. Yeah. I'm thinking we'll do the poker tournament then. The link, if you guys want to play poker, it's free to join. There'll be accounts to win and stuff like that. It's all going to be, there's going to be a link. There is a link in the Discord. I gotta re-find it though. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Come on, man. Freaking. I'm putting the link in the Discord right now. I just added everybody. I just put it in the Discord and added everybody. Yeah, we'll do some account giveaways tomorrow on the poker tournament. It's free to join. So if you want to hang out, while we're doing it, we'll probably be on voice chat in the Discord. So you guys can hear me win it all again. What up, Janix? Jaden's here. What's going on? What up, Andy? Nathan White, you got to check your email, Nathan. Cove, if we trade opposite, then no more red P&L. I don't know. I feel like I'm doing good. BK. Who else is in here? What up, DBT? I think I saw you earlier. Boom, boom, boom. Dude, my brain. Oh, Overtrader's in here. What up? John. Alfred. Luca. Prelim. What's crack-a-lacking, everybody? Pascal. Always Eastern time, Jay Styles. Always Eastern. Come on. Man, this thing got choppy all of a sudden. Super sideways. Super sideways right now. We had this massive pump. Honestly, I favor the upside. I definitely favor the upside here. Got an hourly fair value gap. Pivot point right here. I would like to see it trade back in here. I'd grab some. What up, Mike? Yo, Liquidated's back. What's up, man? How's life been? How's everything been with you? I hope you didn't get liquidated. What up, Duck Master? Living the dream? That sounds pretty good. Next break will decide the direction. 3 touches to the downside. Yeah. Oh, you're in cybersecurity? That's cool. That's just ever growing. That's never going away. You spying on everybody's laptop on their cameras? Are you checking my browser history, Liquidated? Oh shit. Yeah, I like the cybersecurity stocks a lot. Dude, you're in love with gold now, Dell? Dude, gold tells you she loves you. And then you can't trust her. Can't trust her. She'll take your money. I'll tell you that much. Gold will take your money. Yo. Come on, baby. Push. Get above the 9. Get above the 34. Get right there. I mean, rejected at the 9 and 34. We get above, you'll probably trade. Come on. Push it. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty. You got Asia high right here. That's what we keep bouncing off of. Asia open, Asia high. I mean, a great retracement. I don't think we're going to get it, but back to 300, I'm in big time down here. Yo, what up, Ace? Keith, are you still adding to your shorts, Keith? Are you building a short position? I did not see that they changed their ticker. No. From gold to B? Bro, why would you get off the gold? The gold ticker was awesome. That's stupid. That's so stupid. I would never have given that ticker up. Never ever. What what are they? They're probably going to turn the gold ticker into some type of gold ETF or something, I would assume. I'm just taking a guess that gold will become some type of ETF. You shorted? Yeah, I mean, there's more than one gold ETF. Yo, who took this trade? Who took that trade? I am out. I am fucking out. What do I think of Intel? You're talking about the ETF, INTL. I don't. If you're talking about the ETF, I know nothing about it. I know nothing about it. Oh, INTC. Yeah, I know they had really good news. What was the really good news they had recently? If you look, they haven't moved anywhere since August last year. It's the same spot. Kind of interesting that they haven't moved anywhere since August. I don't know. I know they had. I would have to go over their news releases because I know they had some good news, and I forget what it was about. Yeah, GDX. Yeah, there's a bunch of gold. There's gold miners, Dell. Yeah, I think Intel can make a move. I forget the freaking news that came out that was really good for them. Yeah. Um. Yeah, it's one of those things. I think people don't buy Intel because they see it as an older company, while AMD is like a newer company. You know, and obviously the leader in this space is NVIDIA. Yeah. I don't really like I don't know. It wasn't on like my list of top stocks, but I do know they had some good news and people were talking about it. AMD used to be really good, and then I don't know, it's now looked at as like the lower tier chip company since NVIDIA kind of separated itself apart. I know that there's a difference between the two companies. I'm just saying it's just if you're going to invest in that space, everyone kind of goes the NVIDIA route. I mean, I'll say I sold most of my stocks out. I've sold most of my stocks out. Like I'm up $234 today in my trading account. I'm just kind of riding a small positions and I'm waiting for the market in general to come back with some type of pullback before I start loading up again. I went heavy. I was in heavy when we were dumping. That I will tell you. I was leveraged at one point, and I'm out. I like Hood, SoFi, Hims. I'll just bring up my. I'll just show you a lot of the stuff I bought. I like TTD. I basically like these companies that you've seen me grab. I meant to buy UNH today, actually. Let's see what it's at. I'm not buying it up here at 307. Man, so many stocks are up. Like, I like Net. Net is way too high now. SoFi got me so salty. I picked SoFi over a Hood. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's because Hood started doing crypto and it's more of a trading platform. Yeah. I love Hood. Hood, Hims, Net, SoFi, Oscar Health. Hims has to come down. They just ran too much now. You know, now I think it's overvaluated. Yo, PLTR is another one. Yeah. Yeah, PLTR. Yeah, PLTR ran. I think at some point PLTR drops and then takes forever, ever to get back above the highs. This is just choppy. I mean, we just got choppy action. It looks more bullish, but like, see, that's why I took this trade. We traded back down. Yo, what up, Jack? Jack, boom. What up, Newts? Newts McBoots. What's crack-a-lacking? But yeah, there's a bunch of companies like that got that had a big discount and you just had to buy and wait. Yo, when it pumps, when they pump those types of companies, they pump. It's just you gotta gotta be super patient. I got some of them here that I like. Like NBIS is one of those. Celsius is one of those. Yeah. This is like my little watch list of some companies. Lemonade is like that. All of a sudden, Lemonade's gonna pop. So, no, I don't hold any Coinbase. I don't even think I. Let me see. I'll show you my scanner. Yo, what up, Jim Blab? Yo, Neo, the Neo bag holders, bro. Those people got crushed. Crushed. What? I think Neo's like $5. Dude, the whole Neo shit was crazy. So I have I use this. I'm just going to show you what I use. I use this. And what I'm looking for stocks that are going down and revenue is going up quarter after quarter. So basically, stock depreciation, stock is losing value, but the company itself is increasing revenue every quarter. And that's what I run down here as a scanner, and that's how I find companies I want to invest in. Obviously, I look at other things, but like that's how I get my bag of what I'm looking to invest in. Look, fucking just went. Yeah, so what happens is you'll see the company revenue just keeps increasing and increasing and increasing, and the stock price is either not moving or it's trending down, and then I'll say, okay, like, what does this company do? What do I like? And that is how I find companies I like to invest in. Dude, this thing just popped. Glad I sold early. I started one, a public one. This is where I started. That's called TrendSpider. So I'll give you a. I'm going to show you a. But yeah, like if you look at, I'm just going to show you the prime example. Like, look at HIMS. Every quarter, revenue is going up, right? Revenue's going up, up, up. Stock price really isn't really doing much. And then eventually the public starts catching on. They start catching on over here. PLTR. Look, every quarter, stock price is going down. Every quarter, revenues are going up. And then eventually the public starts to take notice and it goes. This is how I find companies that I want to invest in. Share price starts going down, revenues going up. Yeah, I'm not buying CLSK at all. They have high premiums. So the reason I even have that on my list is the premiums are super high, that if you sell weekly premiums on a week that you think Bitcoin is going to go, you can get, you can get like 3-4% on your money by selling out of the money puts. Wow. This thing just ripped. I mean, we're right off the initial imbalance right here at 463. Honestly, if we come down and touch this pivot point at 446, I'm in. 446, I'm in. Actually, there we go. Sean, I mean, I got stopped out on this wick. How bad do I feel? Look at that shit. I got wicked out at the bottom. Sold. I bought in at the bottom again and sold. Look at that grab. Look at that grab. If this goes back over the initial imbalance, I'll grab more to the upside. You're short, Dell? You might make money. You might make money. 446 is the pivot point. Let's see what happens, boys. Oh, man. I'm not getting stopped out. Let's see. Let's see how this freaking plays out. Oh yeah, we cranking. I'm gonna sell some. I'm gonna sell a couple right below the initial imbalance. I'm gonna sell half. Sell half right here. Come on, baby. You can do it. No, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Don't do that. Come on. Come on. Go to your home. Go to your home. Don't make me just hang in here. The cord has my next orders. What is that, Dell? What's the cord? I hope it's getting primed up, liquidated. Cube, I sold cash secure puts on it. I was in the money until the day of expiration. They pushed it to $12 for them, just enough to expire worthless, and then back down the next week. Yeah. Dude, what? What is that, like an Apex account? What type of account is that? It would have been nice to sell half back out up here. I grabbed 10 more here. So if I can get 10 out at 42, it will lessen my drawdown a little bit, trying to help a little bit on this pullback. Kind of flipping contracts in between, you know. Dude, that's weird. That's awesome though. Newts. 25 round trips. Dude, I love scalping, man. I love a good scalp. I try not to, I mean, I scalp a lot on here, but I try not to scalp as much because it's harder for people to engage in it. But so what'd you end up on the day? Are you over for a payout? Did you get yourself a payout? That's what I'm trying to do, PG. Make a couple bucks down here to reduce the drawdown a little bit, to let it move around. Oh, so you're taking a payout today. Oh, I'm going to blow this thing. Done. Peace out, Cub Scout. I actually thought I had more of a drawdown because I'm looking at how much I'm down and not realizing that my drawdown is less, to be honest with you. Completely fucked up. That was me not looking at my drawdown. I was looking at this number, thinking I had another $1,200 left to draw down. Absolutely got me that way. Oh, you reset a funded account? You reset a funded take profit trader account, Newts? Bro, that's ballsy. That's awesome, though. Yeah, they're like $1,200, but you got your money back. You know, you're going to take that money out, and you're all good. It was only $6.49 for a funded reset. That's not terrible. That's not terrible. Dude, $6.49 for a reset for a funded account. I'm just trying to do the math. Well, I guess if you did 1 in 4, you'd be at 480. Yeah. But you got the funded account instantly. And I guess if you treat it right, you could take a payout like you just did. I'll tell you what, today in the morning would be a great time to do it. Like if you just freaking went in and just stayed. I feel like days like that are great for like the take profit trader accounts. Kind of right off rip. I got to trade mine. I actually, you know what I need to trade also? I got some Tradeify accounts, and I have the My Funded Futures account. I have a Volumetrica. Let's see what happens on Volumetrica.
Order filled.
I just took it. I don't like what they just did. I don't like how they just set this platform up, to be honest with you. My next accounts are not going to be on Volumetrica. They're going to be on Tradeivate, I think. If I lose 300, whatever, try again on another setup. Yeah. Tight stops. Thinking about resetting my Take Profit Trader Pro when I full port MOS. Bro, Dell. I mean, what could go wrong? That's what Newts just did. Newts reset his. Sean, you could change it back? Shut up. How do I change it back? Yo, how do I change this back to Yo, it's just digital money, Dell. Wait, how do I change it back to take Sometimes you just got to risk it for the biscuit, Newts. Oh. I was talking about changing it back to Tradeivate, but this is even better. This is fine. I can live with this. Yeah, I was talking about that, but Sean, this is good. I appreciate that. Yo, Vivek. Network issues. What network issues? Oh, yeah, Matt. Bulenox does 1 day to pass. Yep. Bulenox is 1 day to pass. By the way, they're running this deal right now. I don't know who was in here before. No, it's not this one. It's this one. Basically, they're doing buy one, get one free at My Funded Futures. And if you're new, you get 50% off on top of that. But right now, My Funded Futures, if you buy any eval, you get a free reset as well. Just throwing it out there for anybody that they're kind of doing it. It's kind of legit, to be honest with you. The old free reset with any eval. You can only get 3 of them, which kind of sucks. But I'm going to go grab some. Oh, on your side. You like trade copying? I like it. I like it when I'm winning a lot, Sean. Dude, it would be cool if it was fun. They did not them. Take Profit Trader did half off funded resets at one point. Do you guys remember that? Half off funded resets. I remember I reset for like 300 and something bucks. I want to say it was over a year ago.
Order filled.
Now, my question to you is, do I lock this down for the day for day 3, or do I just keep going to add more money on this account? What do I do? Do I go to add more money on the account, or do I just stop trading and say, hey, I locked in day 3? I don't know what to do. Funded resets are definitely a thing. Lock it. Well, I just got a My Funded Futures account, so I'm going to go get the free reset that comes with it. I'm about to hammer it at some point today. Why not? You get a free reset, right? There we go. Free reset time. Now, I locked this, by the way, I locked this one day 3 also. I want to get my money.
Order filled.
All right. I need 484 to get a funded account here. Worst comes to worst, it's a free reset, right? So that's how I look at it. Thanks for lunch tips. Just a tip, BK. Just a tip. Time to go get some pizza? Oh, man. I love doing the one trade pass in My Funded Future. Is freaking amazing, by the way. Where you just kind of sit in it and just let it go. It's either going to pass or it's not going to pass. That's it. It's either going to pass or it's not. What is that? What up, Brad? I just feel like they're doing these free resets.
Order filled.
This one I'm going to take profit early on, though. This one I'm going to try being a responsible Eval owner and take profit. Take some profits and maybe do it in 2 trades. You heading out of cash? Yeah. Just straight send it. Come on, man. I do think they pumped this thing. I want to see him get it. 445. This one's my responsible account. Got to have a responsible account at all times. It is choppy. It's definitely choppy. Not the best market conditions. Lunchtime, boys. I'll see you in a little bit, Maria. Yo, I'm going to go grab some lunch too. By the way, My Funded Futures, buy one, get a reset for free with my coupon code. I'll be back at 2 o'clock. We'll do an account giveaway. If you want to support the stream, use the code below. We made some money today, so let's see what happens. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Just remember that. It gets choppy around lunch. Wait, if you get a My Funded Future, 1 free reset, you basically got 2. Dell, that's what I was saying, dude. That's what I was saying. Yo, if you buy one and you blow the account, I think they give you a free reset for it. That's what I was talking about. Oh, did you miss the Ducks? Lee, it was definitely open. It'll be back open in the afternoon. But, all right, I'm going to grab some food. And hopefully we get out of this chop one way or another. All right. Peace.